You have secured All India Rank 1 and World Rank 5. So please share your agenda and your mindset toward the exams. And
So first understand what the paper is all about, and then break it down into 4 main topics, and then take one by one and start understanding the concept more than trying to solve the question. First understand what it is all about and then continuously solve the questions. So spend a good amount of time solving the questions that are there on the study hub. Take help from your mentor. Having great mentors at GCC helped us a lot. They helped us to break down the subject, strategize how we are going to read for it, how we are going to be finishing the portions, and then go ahead with solving the questions. They also gave us a timeline as to how we have to do it, and achieve whatever goals that we wanted to in the paper.